Okay, we've got an Autocruise Motorhome for you. This is an Autocruise Starburst. It's a 2.2, so it's a chain. It's on a 2008 on a Peugeot Boxer. It's 3,500 kilograms and it's just under 6.5 meters long. So let's have a look at it. So it has got bench seats inside, which you'll see. This is the access underneath one of the bench seats. And then we have flue for the heating. We've plugged the 240 in. Now, when you fill the water up with this van, with most Autocruises, what you have to do, it's a bit like the caravan side, you have to put it in there, and we've got an adapter then that we can put on the hose pipe, so we can fill up the fresh water tank. So that's how you do it with this Autocruise. Now we have the cassette toilet. So there's our cassette. And the way we fill up the flush on this, it's got its own little tank there for the flush system. So you'd fill up there either using, what's it called? Watering can. And that's how you'd fill up. So let's go around the back. We have a tow bar, we have a bike rack, and also reversing camera. And then we have a gas here, enough for 2 bottles. And then we've got the vents for the fridge. And then just like the other side, we have another storage spot, access for underneath the bench on the passenger side. And then with this van, it does have an Omnister awning. So we'll have a look inside. So with this Autocruise, what we've got the 2 bench seats, again, good size. The seats will swivel around, and then we can make the bed up by pulling across to make up the bed. And then if we have a look on the chassis of the vehicle, as I said before, it's a Peugeot Boxer 6-speed and with CD radio, and there is no air conditioning on this van. So going towards the back, I do like this kitchen area here, that's separate to the living area. We've got loads of storage going all the way along. And then what we've got here is, well, we'll start with the hobs. So 3 burner hobs, we've got the hot plate and then grill oven. And then we've got a good area here. And if this is not enough, we can open this out to make an even bigger prep area. And then opposite, we do have the fridge and then a wardrobe. And then moving to the bathroom area, we have the cassette toilet, and then we have a separate shower. But what I like about the separate shower as well, I like how the wash basin is in the shower area. So if you're having a wash and you're a bit messy and spill any water, it goes straight into the shower. So we'll start by setting the van up. So here I've already switched it on, and then we've got the various ones where there I've put the pump on. So what we'll do, I've already switched the gas on earlier on. I'll put this on, just bring the gas through. Like so. And then you do the same for the grill and the oven. And we've got a hot plate, because we've got a hookup in the van, the hot plate works because it's 230. And then don't forget, if you're priming for the first time, we're bringing all the water out the fresh water tank into the hot water tank, which takes about 2 minutes to prime up. So we've primed all up there. While I'm here, we have the 3-way fridge. So we can either have it on the gas, electric, and then when we're travelling, we've got leisure battery. So now what we're going to do is the controls for the heating and hot water. So it's the Truma combi system. So what we've got here, if we look at the bottom settings first, out for off, and we've got two top settings, 1460, there's summer settings for hot water only, and then the winter settings below. So the first one there is heating only, and then the bottom is heating and hot water. So if we want to just put some hot water on, we go to 40 or 60, and then our options are, we can either have it on gas, 1 kilowatt of electric or 2 kilowatts of electric, or gas and electric, and gas and electric 2 kilowatts. So if I put that on there, now we have the hot water on at 60 on 1 kilowatt of electric. But in order to operate the electric, we do have a button down here that must be switched on, or else the electric won't work on the heating and hot water. So now what we've got under here, just take these up. There's our battery. So there's our leisure battery fitted, and then I'll just show you underneath this bench seat. It has been had an extra leisure battery put in. Right, so I've showed you the battery. What I'll do, I'll show you the water heater and drain off. There we go. So can you see there? There's the water heater. And then if you just look down there, we have the drain off for the water heater. So in order for this to be drained off, we turn this, that drains it off, put it back on again, and there is a button down there to the side of it, a blue button that you must press in as well. Right, let me just show you in here. So we just have a look down here. As you can see there, there's our water pump. And then below that is our freshwater tank. And then just here, if you turn the lever there, that is your drain off for your fresh water. Another thing I need to show everybody is just behind the driver, can we see, there's our 12 volt fuses. And then just this side, I'll move the seat forward. What we've got here, there's our mains trips. See there, we've tripped, put it back on again. And then just below the seat there, we do have the battery charger. So everything's conveniently placed. So there we have it, Autocruise Starburst. It's a good solid 2-berth van. What I like about it is the separation. You've got your bench seats here for your living area, which can be made into a bed. You could even just pull this out and have a single bed here as well. You've got the kitchen area, which I like about, and you can extend it out to make a bigger prep area. And then I do like the bathroom with a separate shower, because you've got the basin in the shower area, so you're not getting any water on the floor, it just goes into the shower tray. And then let's say we've got good storage all round with blinds and fly screens. And what I forgot to mention, we have got Skylight in here as well, again with the blinds, the Skylight. So all in all, Autocruise Starburst.